Namaste and a grand welcome to Padma's Universe. It's all about food, people, and places. We are going to Trichy tomorrow morning, very early in the morning, planning to start by 4:30 a.m. because it's vacation time. Guys, actually, I shot this video quite some time back, like few weeks back when the vacations were on, and that is when we went to Trichy. And apparently, because of the housework and the painting work and other things, I was unable to edit the video and upload, and which is why this video got delayed. So yes, we are going to Trichy tomorrow and planning to start very early, and since it's vacation time, it's better to start early to avoid traffic, the crowd at the toll, and you will reach early. So we are planning to reach by 9:30, 10, and of course we'll go there and have breakfast. But then since we'll be waking up so early in the morning, we by default we will feel hungry by 6:30 a.m. So since we are traveling with kids, I don't want to take chance. It's always better to carry your food. So I'm making some masala chutkara sandwiches and some jam sandwiches. This is for the younger one, the little one, because he does not like the masala chutkara sandwiches. And yes, I'm all done. So now I'm gonna pack everything up. So tomorrow I'm planning to wake up by 3 a.m., get ready and go. The time is almost 12 p.m. I need to go sleep now. Good morning. As you can see, the time is 4:25 a.m. and we are already in the car. We started. Kids are awake right now, but then they will fall asleep anytime. But the best part of starting very early in the morning is that you enjoy. I mean, at least I enjoy fresh air, no traffic, and then it's like a beautiful long drive, very peaceful, very calm. And then the best part is you get to watch the sunrise, and yeah, it's so beautiful. Actually, those 4-5 hours of the journey is brilliant, fantastic. And of course, I need to listen to music. I have this brilliant collection of the 90s classic romantic hits, and of course Kishore Das songs. I mean, I'm sorted. So guys, let me warn you, this vlog is gonna be fully loaded with food, and pakka this is gonna make you feel hungry, so keep watching. That's Pongal. So we reached Trichy, 9:30 a.m. we reached, and we are having breakfast now. So along with pongal and idlis, we are having some sambar, some coconut chutney, and there's this hot and spicy garlic chutney, my favorite. And also we have some sweet dishes here. There is palkova, and this is Tirunelveli halwa, very famous. And here we have some fresh vegetables. These are again farm fresh vegetables, organic vegetables. Now look at that. I've never seen a bottle gourd like this. This looks so cute, bulged. And then this is the other variation, slightly dark green in color, so nice. And here my mother-in-law is cleaning the fishes for lunch. We are having fish curry, fish korambu, and fish fry, which my mother-in-law is gonna make. She's an amazing cook, and we all look forward to eat her food when we come here, especially kids. She pampers them like anything. And actually there are two varieties of fishes. One goes in the curry, the other one is for fry. The mean korambu and the mean varval, the fish curry and the fish fry was awesome, and Amma consciously makes it in huge quantities so that we can have this even the next day. And to be very honest, the fish curry, the flavors mature and the taste doubles when you eat it the next day. And we also have some greens, Keerai poriyal, for lunch. And here I am making some homemade ice cream. Honestly, I'm trying this ice cream for the very first time. This is mango ice cream, so kids will enjoy. And apparently it is summer, but then it's not very hot here. The weather is pretty good, it's drizzling and all that, but still a good ice cream is something which we all enjoy. The entire family is gonna enjoy. So it's night, it's 8 p.m. now, so I'm gonna set this in the fridge and let this freeze overnight, and tomorrow we shall enjoy the homemade mango ice cream. We are all enjoying ice cream. The ice cream was not bad, but it was not frozen enough for us to enjoy the proper texture of ice cream. For me, it looked like custard, slightly frozen custard, but however, not bad. Kids enjoy anything sweet, anything frozen, anything in the name of ice cream kids eat. Even we elders enjoyed. So kids are enjoying their time with their cousins, and they have their own plans. In fact, they plan to go watch Avengers movie. In fact, we have already booked the tickets. We are going for the movie tomorrow, I guess. And they also plan to watch Peter Rabbit movie. For breakfast today we had idlis and fish curry, that is fish korambu, and some coriander chutney, kotamilli chutney. This is the coconut based coriander chutney, and we are also having some fresh organic cow's milk, followed by some sweet gulab jamuns. This is dry gulab jamun, yummy. And for lunch today we are going to be having mutton biryani. This is my mother-in-law's signature style mutton biryani, which we all look forward to have when we come to Trichy.
Gold bud. It's in the Japanese coat. See?
Behind is pretty
See?
Hi
Gold.
friends, once again welcome. Sony Penny, she give right when you. Where is she? Yours? That. Adia? Adia. Jayek, Naga. Open it and show.
The mutton biryani, as always, was finger licking good, and the mutton which you get here in Trichy is so good. It's tender, it's juicy, and it's fabulous. And for dinner today, my mother-in-law is making some yummy pork curry. This is a very unique recipe which she got from her, which she learned from her aunt, and this is fresh pork which my brother-in-law got from Tirunelveli. Now the thing is, we don't eat or cook pork very often at home. In fact, we don't at all cook. This is for the very first time I am watching my mother-in-law cook. In fact, she had forgotten the recipe, so she had to refer to her old books to get the recipe out. And we are so looking forward to eat. We don't eat pork, we eat like once in a blue moon, that too when we go out to a restaurant which has this on the menu card as a specialty. Otherwise we eat only mutton, chicken and fish, and of course eggs. We are all excited here, looking forward to eat this dish, taste this dish. So I am kind of being very watchful, seeing what are the ingredients that goes in and how this dish is being prepared. And this is the secret spice blend, the secret masala for a pork curry. The pork curry was very tasty. We all enjoyed it. It was so flavorful. The gravy was mild. The spices were not overpowering at all. So we had pork curry with dosas. It was an amazing combination. It will go very well with idlis also. And of course we had the leftover mutton biryani for dinner. So it's our day 3 today in Trichy, and today the plan is to go for movies. Kids so wanted to go watch Avengers movie, so we need to quickly finish our lunch. So here Amma is chopping some onions. She likes to chop onions the traditional way. She's not very comfortable using the modern day knives with the chopping board and stuff. So she's making ghee rice, the coconut milk based ghee rice, and of course she had prepared the pork curry. So we are going to be eating this along with some salad for our lunch, and we need to leave. I think the show is at 2 p.m. and yeah, after we have our lunch we will start for the movie. This is the coconut milk, freshly extracted coconut milk for the ghee rice. So guys, before I forget, please do subscribe to my channel. Please hit on the subscription button below. It's absolutely free, and do not forget to hit on the bell icon, the notification button. Whenever I upload a video, you will get notified. And do hit on the like button if you like this video, and all your suggestions and comments are most welcome. And now this is yet another speciality, one of our favorites, all-time favorite. This is Manathakkali Keerai soup. I didn't know what do they call Manathakkali Keerai in English, so I refer to Google, and it says black nightshade, or they also call it sunberry or wonderberry. This small dark fruit which the plant bears is really good to taste and has immense medicinal value, and hence very good for health. And this Manathakkali Keerai tastes all the more divine because it's freshly plucked from a garden. So here the lunch is ready. There's raita, onion raita. This is homemade curd, vegetable rice, plain rice, and there is some rasam also, I guess, and of course the pork curry and salad. And now we need to eat our lunch quickly and head for the movie. Kids are super excited. I did not take my camera to the mall, but I did shoot using my phone camera, but apparently, unfortunately, I lost the footage. My kids keep fidgeting with my phone, and then I don't know how, but then I do not have any, all the videos got deleted. But no problems. We had good time. Kids enjoyed the movie, though I'm not a big Avenger fan, but then since we all went together as a group, and seeing kids have fun is so much fun. So guys, I'm gonna end my vlog here. It was a wonderful stay. I'll be back in Trichy in the month of August for our annual family deity temple visit, that is Kuladaivam temple or Kuladaivam temple. So we do this once in a year, and I'm also going to give you the link in the description box below of the vlog of my last year's family deity temple visit. Do check it out. Atharv is enjoying his freshly plucked mango from the tree, and yes, tomorrow morning we need to start very early in the morning for 4:30 a.m. for Bangalore. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you soon in yet another interesting video, and take care. Bye bye. See you soon.